Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. All right, guys, so listen, I'm hopping on today just to share with you a little bit of happy mail, because if you are anything like me with this here whole pandemic and social distancing and quarantining, staying connected to friends and family is just, it's a little bit more difficult, but it's even more important. And so when I get these little pieces of mail in my mailbox and they make their way to my desk area, because my husband or my son usually brings the mail in and sets it on my desk. When it arrives, I'm always elated. I don't care what's in the package. I really don't. Just keep the packages coming. But then it also reminds me that it's important for me to send it out as well. So I'll probably have a follow-up video to this, just putting some sending some love out in the form of happy mail, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, let me just share with you guys the video, or the good gracious, the postcard that I received. It says J'adore. Okay, and that is from, let me see, hold on. You think I would have just handled this before I got on camera, right? No, that would have been too much like right. It's from Faith, from Faithfullmess. She has her channel. She does quite a bit of a variety of things, but mostly she does coloring, different types of color art. And so I haven't seen any lives lately. She normally does late night streams, but I usually watch them in the replay. So Faith, if you're watching, thank you so much for this sweet little card. It says, "Hi fam, this postcard's so fabulous." You see how she spelled the fabulous part, right? "Just like you. Stay warm and well. Spring is just around the corner. Hugs and kisses, Faith." Absolutely, Faith. Listen, I'm so looking forward to being able to be out and about. And gratefully, I just, changed, or should I say, I don't want to sound boastful. So I'm not going to say I got a new car, because it's not brand new. But I don't want to seem ungrateful by saying, I just replaced my other car, because I'm ecstatic because I got the car that I wanted. Nevertheless, it's a Ford Edge. Me and the boy will be ripping and running the streets, especially because I have like real estate photos to take care of. So anyways, Faith, thank you so much. And yes, spring's around the corner and I am so ready for it, and I hope that you are as well. All right, and so, and this is what, rose gold up against a little oatmeal color, and it's in the shape of a postage stamp, isn't it? This one comes from my good friend Thelisha from Where Baking and Crafting Meets. That's the channel here on YouTube. It's called Where Baking and Crafting Meets by Thelisha, and she also has a Facebook group by the same name. She also happens to be over at the Maker Exchange, because I told her, listen, please encourage us, inspire us to cook and bake and what have you. I know you got your own group, but slide on over here. And so this is a swap that I received from her. She also participated in the Shades of Love collab. So I'm going to drop a link below to her channel and her Facebook group if you're interested. Again, she does baking, and you'd be amazed at what this woman can do with a cookie, okay? Craft-wise, people. And then she also does a lot of mixed media and paper crafting. So that is always, let me open it from the other side. It's always fun. Now, I'm not sure if I saw her create these. I watch all of her videos because she does them a little bit sped up with music to them. So Josh and I end up watching the videos and enjoying. I just lay in my bed. That's just mommy and Joshy time. We still do that, Okay, so I'm not going to show y'all the note. And the swap is from her group. Her group has got a swap going on, not my group, not the Maker Exchange. We have a swap going on, and she's also in that swap. But that is for bookmarks. Hers was for tags, and I think the idea was to create 6 tags. And it was called Abigail Lee's butterfly tags, or something like that. So, but y'all know how I feel about butterflies, so I could not pass that up, despite the fact that I was already, doing a swap and coming out of one collab and starting another collab. And so, but I was like, just an opportunity for me to pull out my butterfly stamps and do some collaging and whatever, just try something new. Anyway, so these are what Thelisha sent me, and I'm gonna read them out. All the tags, I couldn't think what else. Okay, yes. Okay, so she said, I decided to send you all the tags that she made, and I'm assuming that she made these might have made them on her channel. I'm not sure. Not, on her Facebook group, because I don't think I've seen these in a video. If so, Thelisha, feel free to drop the link to the video. Okay? It says, I couldn't just think of what else to send you for Happy Mail. This is enough. The 6 tags would have been enough. This was fun. I'm looking forward to the bookmark swap and the March collab. Absolutely. And March is here, y'all. Okay, so now I just want y'all to know she does amazing with like layering and inks. And I ain't there yet, but I'm getting there. Thelisha, I will. I'll get there, Wishing you well. So these all have different sentiments on them. And it looks like she used a little bit of gold leafing or, let's see. Can you guys see that? And then there's some stamping back there. And it looks like 2 stamps attached together. Or it's 2 tags attached together. And then she put the little banner there. This looks like a doily. Okay, I'm not going to dissect this on camera. But okay, so that's that one. And then this one says Best Wishes. And there's some corrugated material there. I like that. I really do. Such a unique use of different papers. And look, it's like the leaves on the wings of the butterfly. You guys see that? Okay, I'm not gonna take too long, because I'm gonna dissect it off and delve into it deeper off camera, because I can't. I know y'all want to do something else. James's coffee pot going off. Excuse that too. Thoughtful, kind, generous. That's you. Okay, so she stamped out different sentiments, and all of her tags. I needed this punch as well. Have like a gold etching on them, and it has like a fall vibe, a spring/fall vibe. Now you can use these. I could use these in the spring with like orange or white ribbon to pull the white out, or the fall orange or brown or twine or something like that. Is it twine? Not twine. Burlap. It's like the burlap. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The rope. It's not burlap, but it's kind of like it. Hello, friend. Oh, look at the little butterflies. Isn't that so cute? And there's a little bit of doily back there. Oh, goodness. Have a beautiful day. I could make these into cards, Thelisha. I really can. Real simple. Y'all want to see what I'm talking about? Hold on a second. Know that love, prayers, and caring surround you today. You know what? I am going to do that. I am going to turn this entire set into a set of cards. Watch, Thelisha. Just watch me. Gather together. That will be my challenge. Smile. I'm going to keep a couple for myself to put into my journal. Smile. Enjoy today. And season of thanks. Oh, look at that cute little butterfly. Yes, so now let me see. Let me pull out a card and show y'all what I'm talking about when I say what I say. Okay? Y'all don't believe me? Okay, where the cards at? I have blanks. Okay, so I always keep a couple stacks of these from the Dollar General. These are dollar. I will continue to repeat this because this is a time saver, and many of you all don't have the time to, cut and score and all that other stuff or make the envelopes. And this is just a simple way to do it. For $1, you get 10 sets. So let me just show y'all what I'm talking about. All right, I hope y'all still there. And if you are interested in joining a swap, head over to you can head over to both of our Facebook groups. Head over to Thelisha's group where baking and crafting meets. Of course, she has the bonus of actually having baking stuff in her group. she shares that content in our group. Probably because she probably feels sorry for me. She should. Anyways, okay, so look. This with, let's just say, let me pull out a piece of scrap paper real fast. What color we got there? Okay. Give me a second, folks. Give me a second. And I am going to find something that easily... Look at this. Look at God. Look at that. Yes, and I would ink the edges of this just so that it could pop off the page and the white would show. And yeah, maybe an extra something else to pick up the purple in there. But yeah, that's a card, Thelisha. Thelisha, this is a card already. Just saying. So I'm going to keep a few for tags, but I'm going to turn this here set, the others, into a set of cards. Okay? Yep. Again, I'm going to turn this. I'm going to turn the other set into... Yeah, this is my life. If you've got boys or gamers, you see him tomorrow? If I waited to turn this camera on for when he's quiet, y'all wouldn't know what was going on in the lovely lab. Nevertheless, guys, thanks so much for watching and for tuning out the boy. You know, if you are interested in any swaps, feel free to check out where baking and crafting meets, as well as the Maker Exchange. Both of them will be located in the description box below. And I will also drop a link to Faithfullmess if you are not already familiar with her channel. Oh, she's got lots of goodies going on over there. And from time to time, she has a special guest, her daughter. So she's a sweet little something. Anyway, so guys, thanks so much for watching. And until we're back here together on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Don't forget to wear your mask, wash your hands, and stay, keep your 6-foot distance from folks. The pandemic is still here, unfortunately. We're gonna get through it, but we got to do what we got to do. Okay? All right, folks. Take care of yourself.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel.